Crocodiles and alligators. Fascinating facts. Surely you don't know, so let's get started. What is the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? Alligators are rounder and fatter, with short, blunt snouts. Crocodiles are more streamlined, and their snouts are longer and narrower. An easy way to work out which is that the fourth tooth on a crocodile's lower row of teeth can be seen even when the jaw is shut. Whereas in alligators, the tooth disappears into pits in the upper jaw when its mouth is closed. How do crocodiles hunt? They usually lie and wait in shallow water until animals come to drink. Then they make a sudden lunge, grab the victim with their massive snapping jaws, drag it into the water and drown it. Are crocodiles related to dinosaurs? Crocodiles may be one of the closest living links to dinosaurs. The scaly skin, teeth, claws and the way they look are all still very much the same. The fact that they were such efficient hunters well adapted to their environment meant that they did not need to change very much. Their streamlined bodies, long, powerful tails and webbed feet make them very fast in the water. The Nile crocodile can grow to 6 meters in length. But the Indo-Pacific crocodile, which lives in parts of Southeast Asia, can grow even larger. Do alligators establish territories? Yes. And an adult alligator will frequently fight to defend it. Where do crocodiles live? In rivers and swamps of the tropics. Can crocodiles and alligators climb trees? Yes. Smaller juveniles can get as high as 8 to 9 meters. How long ago did the crocodiles' ancestors roam Earth? 200 million years ago. What do crocodiles and alligators eat? Baby crocs and alligators will catch insects and spiders to eat. As they grow, fish and birds form a larger part of their diet. When fully grown, they will prey on anything that comes their way. Fish and birds, as well as small and large mammals. Do crocodiles lay eggs? Yes, and they look after them very carefully. Female crocodiles scoop out a pit in the ground, then lay 30 or more eggs there, covering them up with earth or sand. The female will stay nearby, guarding the nest for about 3 months while the eggs become ready to hatch.